Hey, what's up, friends? It is Brad, and that is 3 Rounds in a Sound by Blind Pilot on the ukulele. This is version 2.0. I had a lot of requests to show some of the notes and the little riffs that are played kind of around the chords to switch it up a bit. So the chords C, A minor, G, and F, and you're going to have a capo on the first fret. So if you just want to play the chords, it's going to start out like this. C, A minor, G, to an F. So where the notes come in on that C that you start off with, it's on the 4th fret from the nut. So 4, 6, 8, 6, 4. So it's gonna, and it goes to the A minor. Sorry. So it's gonna have your A minor. You're gonna start, either play it here or you can add on the 3rd fret, this guy, like this. Again, that's, what is that, 6th fret, 8th fret, 6th fret, 3rd fret. To your G, you're gonna play it about halfway through, and then you're gonna go onto your 3rd string and hammer on onto this 3rd fret or 2nd fret from the capo. And then play the 1st fret relative to the capo on the 2nd string. So, and then into that F chord. So it's going to sound like this. On that last chord on the F, towards the end, you're going to come in and put a finger on the 3rd fret or 2nd fret from the capo, and then up to the 4th fret. So it's going to sound like this. And then it starts all over. Hope that helps. I'd love to hear your comments on this one. I think it switches it up a little bit from just playing the chords over and over. Yeah, let me know your thoughts, and hope to get recording more for you guys and gals, and we will see you soon.